This is question 12 in exercise 20.2 in Project Maths 1. We have to solve the following pair of simultaneous equations. So our equation 1 here is 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. And our equation 2 is 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now the first thing we need to do when we're solving simultaneous equations is to make sure they're written in such a way that all the variables are to the left of the equals and all of the numbers are to the right, which we have. So that's first step done. Next we need to try and get to a point where the coefficients of both of the x's or both of the y's have got the same coefficient but with opposite signs. And we don't have that. So let's work to that. So the y's in our equations already have opposite signs. So now we need to try and work to a point where we can get them to have the same number in front of them. If we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, then we're going to end up with a 6y in both cases, but one will be minus and one will be plus, which is exactly what we're hoping to get for. So equation 1 times 3 will get 9x plus 6y, and that's going to be equal to 39. And then equation 2 times 2 we get us 8x minus 6y, and that's going to be equal to 12. Now our next step is to add these down, which will remove one of the variables that have the equal coefficients. So 9x plus 8x is 17x. 6y minus 6y is 0, so we've got rid of our y, and 39 plus 12 is 51. Now what we need to do is we need to solve this equation in order to get a value for our x. So if 17x equals 51, that means x is equal to 51 over 17. So x is going to be equal to 3. And now our last step is to take our value for x and put it back into one of our equations to get a value for y. So if we go back to equation 1, which our equation 1 was 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. But this time we know that x is equal to 3. So if we substitute 3 in place of x, we get 3 times x, that's 3 times 3 plus 2y is equal to 13. So that's 9 plus 2y is equal to 13. So 2y is equal to 13 minus 9, which means 2y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 over 2. Y is equal to 2. And that's our value for y. And that is that.